Hello and welcome to DataZar. Today I'm going to show you a quick setup for building your website at DataZar Connect. So first of all, go to datazar.com. We're going to get logged in. Click on the login button. And great, we're already logged in. That takes us to dashboard on the main menu. And to start working on your website, you're going to go to the website builder, which is the website button right here. These are the editing tools. We're going to go over each one of these in the tutorial video. Real quick here, this public preview URL, if you're looking to work on your website, if you want to view changes, make sure you view them under the public preview URL because it updates in just a few seconds. If you go to your domain, it goes to servers around the world. It takes maybe a couple minutes to update. So make sure you're updating through you're viewing through the public preview URL. Let's look at our website. So this is what your website looks like after you register your domain. First of all, the home page right here. On the top menu, you have your home page. This is blank. What you're looking at here is a welcome post that's attached to your home page. And then every website comes with a contact us page. So down on the bottom menu, you have your contact us. Let's go back to the home page. We're going to, if you've given your address information, it may appear on your website already. And then also you can adjust this if you'd like. And we're going to show you all that. So let's tab back over. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our settings button. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly because we have a lot to cover. I want to add a logo. So the first thing I'm going to do is choose my logo right here. And I could upload a logo under choose files. Same with all the images that we're doing. We can upload them. We're going to upload one towards the end, but we're going to use mostly my images because we already have them uploaded to our content. So we're going to go to my images and let's find the logo, and we're going to use that. Okay, so we have the logo added. This is the address information that we pre-filled, so we're not going to change this. This is all good. And then also, if you want to, where it says sign up for newsletter, if you want to adjust that, you can adjust that here. We'll change it to receive newsletter. And if you don't want this to show up, you just uncheck it. You can uncheck your address too, but we want both of those. And then if you want to add social media, you're going to add social media right there. Let me just grab, there's the link for our DataZar Facebook. So I went ahead and pasted that in. So after you make your adjustments, make sure you click on the update button. And the next thing is the theme. The theme's going to really change the look of your website. Right now we're using the main theme. Some themes that I would recommend are Etsy, Service, and Agency. Agency is a good theme. Etsy is really good. Service is good. The one that we're going to use today just for this webinar is Earth. So we're going to choose Earth. And that's already loaded. There's no update button. So as soon as we press that, it's already loaded. So we've covered the first two buttons already. Let's go to templates. Templates are page templates. So you can create a new page through Pages, and we're going to do that here in a bit. But first of all, let's go to templates. And these are all different templates. The images that you see, these are all just placement images. You can replace any of these. So let's go ahead. We're going to create a blog page. We're going to click on the plus button here, and we're going to create a page just by doing that. And if you scroll down, you'll see that since it's a blog, it's going to include posts. That's checked. And the title's already listed as blog. And I think the only thing I really want to do, since it says welcome to our blog, I'm going to go ahead and replace this image with a different image. And since we're hiking outdoor theme here today, the one that I want to use is this one of El Capitan up in Yosemite. And so we click on that. We click on OK. So we're going to be doing a lot more images. If you didn't catch that, we're going to be doing more. But this is how you size it. You just drag the corner of the image. You scroll down. You click Create. So now through the templates, we just created a blog page. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Posts, and we're going to create a new post. So you click on Post. This is the welcome post that comes preloaded. You can, if you don't want that, you can just delete it. We're going to go ahead and leave it. You know what? Yeah, we're going to leave it, but we're going to create a new post. So let's click on Create New. And the post that we're going to create is going to be El Cajon Mountain. So El Cajon Mountain. And then I'm just going to grab some words, paste them in, and let's center that, go bold. I guess we could do, you either do 14 or 18. If you go higher, it's going to be too big on mobile. It's too large a font on mobile. 18's questionable, but we're going to go ahead and do 18. Oops. San Diego, California. And then let's just throw in a couple pictures or a couple images. We're going to include a featured image. On the template that we did on the blog page, we didn't need a featured image on that. But on this page, it makes sense to have a featured image. So we're going to go ahead and choose a featured image. Go to My Images. And the featured image we're going to use is this one right here. No. We're going to go down here. And we're going to pick this one as the featured image. Okay, and then down here we're going to edit the page. So you're going to click our cursor down here. Let's just add a 2-column template. And we're just going to add a couple images. So these little dashes, you just get rid of these. Just delete, delete. The formatting in between is different. That's why the dashes are there. Delete, delete. And then the filler words. These are all filler words. We're going to delete these out. The images, we're going to center, and then go back to Insert, Edit Image. Hit the up arrow. Go to My Images. We're going to scroll down to our other El Cajon Mountain pictures. We're going to go ahead and add this one. I'm going to add this one right here. Click OK. And then one more. Up arrow, Insert, Edit Image, My Images, and we're going to use this one here. Click OK. So there it is. We just created a post, El Cajon Mountain, in beautiful El Cajon Mountain, San Diego, California. Oh, the images are, let's go ahead and make those about the same size. We're just dragging the corner. We're going to make a match. Okay, now that looks really good. Click Create. We got to keep this moving. So we just created a post. Let's go to Pages. And what I want to do is I want to add something to the home index page. So the home index page is blank. So we're going to click the Edit button. And this is called Home. We're going to leave it as Home. Every website should have a home page. We're not going to include the post since we included the blog page. So we're uncheck Posts. And in here, we're going to do, well, the featured image. We're going to go to My Images. And this time, we want to use this one of Upper Yosemite Falls. And that's in the featured image. And let's go ahead and grab some words here. Just copy this. And I'm going to Control-Shift-V, which is paste unformatted. And let's center this. This one here, we're going to enter a few times. We're going to go left. Sign up for our newsletter to receive informative updates, fun trails, cool photos, and more. So actually, since we added this, we don't really need our welcome post anymore because it basically says the same thing. So let's go here, and on our title, we're going to bold, go 18 point. Then on our subtitle, let's bold and go, let's say 14 point. And we're going to enter right here. And let's add one more image. Click on the Insert Edit Image icon, the up arrow, go back to My Images. This time, we're going to select this great picture of the redwoods. Click OK. And we want to make that really stand out. We're going to make it a little bit larger. And now we've updated our home page. So let's click Update. Okay, and so now we're on Pages. We're going to do one more thing. Let's go back to Pages, click on the Pages button. We're going to create a blank page, and this time we're going to call it Gallery. And welcome to our gallery. Okay, and let's just bold that. 18 point, center. And just real quick, let's do a 3-column template this time. So click on 3 columns. Again, get rid of the dashes, delete, 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 and then get rid of the filler words. Delete, delete, delete. Okay, let's go ahead and center these. Okay, that gets the spacing just perfect. And what we're going to use here, we're going to go to Insert, Edit Image, up arrow, My Images. We're going to use this picture here of the cows. And then on this one, same thing. And I'm trying to go through this quickly. My Images. This one here. And then just to show you, you can upload an image. You click on that, click on the Insert Edit Image icon, click the up arrow. Instead of going to My Images, we're going to choose a file. And let me see if I can skip through this real quick. Let me go back up. It didn't work. Okay. Here, 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 and then we're going to use this one here. So there's a new picture. We're going to click OK, and we use that one. So we uploaded that one and used it. And now that image actually goes into our content after you upload it. So there's welcome to our gallery. We could add, we could add maybe a 2-column below that. Delete, 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 and then we can center, center, go here, and I'm going through this super quick now, and My Images, we'll pick the bird, eggs, and the next image, we'll pick the bus, and let's just shrink that up a little bit, kind of make it match a little bit. And we're going to click Create. So we just created this gallery page. That's how you create a gallery page. And then real quick, go back to Pages. I mentioned that the Contact Us, if you want to dress up your contact page, the contact page is on the bottom menu. This is the top menu. This is the bottom menu we showed you earlier on the website. We're going to click the Edit button, Contact Us. This is actually the contact form here. So put your cursor right in front of that, click Enter, up arrow. And then if you want to dress it up, just going to copy some stuff. I'm going to paste it in. Okay, drop us a line. We'd love to hear from you. Fill out the contact form below or email us directly at. Now, if I just do that and a space, it sometimes will link it up. Or what you can do is you can just copy this and then go to the link. And if you want to link up your email, just do mail to : paste, and then OK. So you paste in your email address, click OK, and then that links it up. Same with the telephone number. You can link that up. So you just Control C. So I'm copying that, going to the link, then do TEL : paste it in, and then that's going to link it up. So we dressed up our contact form, go down, click Update. And we've made all the adjustments. Let's tab back over. This is our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. So this is what it started like. Now let's refresh the page, take a look. And there it is. So there's the new home page. We added the featured image. We added the redwoods. We added the sign up for newsletter. We removed the blog posts from here. We created the blog page. This is the page that we created. The welcome post is still here. It just moved from the home page to this page. El Cajon Mountain is here if we click on it. This is the El Cajon Mountain post that we created. So we created that. This is the gallery that we created. That looks really good. And down here, oh, there's the logo. Oh, we changed this to receive newsletter. Now you can remove this altogether if you want. We like to have it. Contact us page, we dressed that up. Made these clickable. Go back to home. So let's go back to Connect. And real quick, if you have any questions, you want to view other tutorials, go to the Help button. Really good place to go is the Help Center. So click on that. You can click on featured tutorial videos too. That's really good. That's where you're going to find this tutorial video. Let's click on the Help Center and click on Website Help. And again, you can click on featured tutorial videos here. So there's a lot of different categories for Website Help as well. And if you're watching this tutorial under Website Help, we're going to also list some of those themes that we recommended in there underneath the tutorial. So if you want to go to the Help Center, look at the themes, you can do that. So let's tab back over, go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's a quick setup for building your website at DataZar Connect.